folks, welcome to another episode of Wray's Garage. I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet. Just wanted to give you a flavor of the 9872 version of Soul's valve exhaust, and I'm sure it's got a better name than that, but anyway, you will see some sights, hear some sounds from this wonderful exhaust, but I want to give you a couple of notes of my own to throw onto there. If you're thinking about it, well, won't stop doing that, just do it. But if you just wanted to know a little bit more about it before you do it, first of all, I got the street version, not the track or race version. Therefore, mine has the 200 style, I can't remember the 3 letters, catalytic converters. So obviously still allowing for more airflow, but was cautioned against going with the race one because it was so obnoxiously loud. And I can tell you, and you'll pick up here bits and pieces where I'm in the closed mode right now, just so you'll hear me better. But definitely audio is a factor. And even driving through the neighborhood, I rarely open up the valves just because I like my neighbors. And I kind of want them to like me. So there's definite rumble, awesome pickup. It still sounds great when you're in this, what I'll call my neighborhood mode, which is still, hey, you've got a cool exhaust, but it's not get out of my hood, you naughty racing maniac. And I'll open up the valves here in a few minutes when I get to a more appropriate road to do so. Tell you a little bit more about it. I'm going to take off in full gut mode. Let's open them up. That's 6,000. And that's litigious. All right. So there you go. Opened up. Dropping into third here. Really feel the throaty thunder coming at the road. Absolutely fabulous sound. Open the windows so you can hear the difference. Loud. Right, here we go. Yeah, so this is the sound in the cabin, all noise deadened, but remember in the Spyder we got this nothing but soft top, so definitely not as much protection as you'll find in most tops. So yeah, in a nutshell, it's got a confident rumble when it's sitting there idling at a light. It looks fantastic, as I'm sure you can observe, and it's a great addition to the car. It's really livened it up. The only thing that scares me a little bit, and I'll figure it out, Soul, if you're watching, let me know. What can I do to dampen that sound? What can I shove in there besides my old rugby socks for when I'm going autocrossing? Because I think we might be just over the permitted amount for the neighborhood watch guys that spend 8 hours sitting in the sun watching this autocross, making sure we don't go over 100 dBs. So that has been a short and sweet version of Wray's Garage. If you're thinking about aftermarket exhausts for your 9872, think no more. The search is over and the installation plan is on. Get it figured out, folks. soulpp.com is where you can check those folks out, and they're extremely helpful. Talk to Mike over there. He'll definitely take good care of you and make sure you know what you're getting into. All right, that's all for now, folks. Please subscribe, like, comment. Tell me if you have any additional questions I didn't get to, and we will catch you on the next one. See ya!